In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Hamster Kombat. First of all, install the Telegram application on your device from the respective app store. Open Telegram and tap on Start Messaging to begin. Select your country from the list provided. Enter your phone number and tap the arrow to proceed. Confirm your phone number by tapping Yes. Check your phone for a verification code. Enter the verification code into the Telegram app. Provide your profile information, including your first and last name. Tap the arrow to complete setting up your Telegram account. Tap Continue to proceed into the Telegram interface. Tap the search icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Type Hamster Kombat into the search bar and search for it. Tap on the search result for Hamster Kombat to open it. Tap Start within the Hamster Kombat chat or channel. Select Play in one click and tap Start to initiate the game. Wait for Hamster Kombat to load after tapping Start. Tap Play to begin playing Hamster Kombat. Interact with the game by tapping on the screen to control gameplay elements. You get the coins by tapping on the hamster on the screen. There are a lot of other ways to fastly earn the coins. The most important thing is your rate for profit per hour. If you set it high, you will also get coins when offline too.